Hello there, this is Dr. Karishma Ahuja. Warm greetings. Today, let's talk about prosperity consciousness. Now, this is something I take up in my money seminars, and I thought I'm going to share an important topic that each of us can start applying in our own lives to experience more financial success and freedom. Firstly, let's understand that your prosperity consciousness is not dependent on the flow of money in your life. In fact, the flow of money in your life is dependent upon your prosperity consciousness. So there is a blueprint inside each of us with respect to finances, with respect to prosperity and abundance, which means there is a clear picture already in your subconscious mind. And whatever you are experiencing with respect to money really depends upon what kind of pictures have been impressed on your subconscious mind. So, firstly, let us understand that if we want to change our experience with respect to money, we have to work towards creating the right pictures in our mind. And an important step in doing that is observe how you are feeling about money. Are you feeling bad when you are giving money? Are you constantly worried when you wake up every morning? How are you going to arrange for the money that you need in the day? Are you talking about how difficult it is for you to make money? Are you talking about how rich people carelessly spend money? Are you criticizing people and their usage of money? If you are talking in such a negative manner with respect to money, clearly it indicates these are the very poverty pictures that have been impressed in your subconscious mind. The only way you can break from lack mentality is to now speak and talk about money in a positive way. Start with blessing everyone you see having more money than you. Start with blessing the money every time you spend it, and you will notice how your prosperity consciousness begins to expand. If you feel bad about spending money, this is exactly how people will feel when they have to give you money. So, to start receiving more, give with all your heart, give with a blessing, and you will see how you will be able to experience all the success that you deserve. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja wishing you all the very best. Namaste.